Induction withstand voltage test console. Also 3-phase input, a BC phase connection and distinct. This sample wire is not connected this time because this is used to sample high voltages and we not connect it this time. The output is connected to the input of the intermediate transformer. Input for 100 volts here. Then there is a grounding. Connect to the ground. There is a ground connection on the console. Connected to the ground. Intermediate variable output sampling is monitored by a multimeter. Let's do a no-load test now. First, set the frequency. This is set according to your own requirements. 100 Hz or 150 Hz. Let's test 100 Hz first. Don't care about the voltage because it cannot be automatically controlled in this condition. We can only monitor it manually. Check the voltage on the multimeter. How high voltage do you need? Just use a multimeter to monitor whether it has risen to the voltage you want. This can only be controlled manually. Go back and use manual directly. Click Start Test. This can only be raised manually. Raise the frequency to 100 Hz. Hold it on. Okay, it's 100 Hz. It will be banned and won't let you rise. This boost is also clicked and held down. This voltage is the output voltage. The voltage monitored by this multimeter is the output voltage of the intermediate transformer. There is a voltage shown on the controller. It's not really the output voltage. It has a filtering process. It's basically a booster. This low voltage will reach more than 300. The input is for 100. We have recorded before, when the intermediate transformer reaches 500, 384 is displayed here. This is also based on the load. The voltage may also change a little bit. Will it drop in 1 minute? There is no set time for this, because this time is controlled according to the high voltage sampling. Now the high voltage sampling line is not inserted, so as long as you don't click stop, it will always be this voltage, right? Yes. Click voltage drop and stop to stop the machine. It just stops. Voltage drop and stop. Voltage will drop gradually. Emergency shutdown. Emergency stop is immediate power outage and stop. This is a physical emergency stop button, which is also an immediate power outage. Afraid that someone will break into the experimental area? Just press this to suddenly lose power. Physical buttons. That's a software button. Okay, that's about it. Input. Regardless of phase. 2-phase output. Input to the intermediate transformer. The intermediate transformer is also grounded. Output. There are 2 wires connected to the multimeter. There are 2 wires output to the transformer. This one a N single phase measurement is a N. This is an isolation transformer. Simulated test subject. 220 volts. Let's click on it. Click Start Test. Increase the frequency if you want 100 Hz. First go up to 100 Hz. This voltage rise. This multimeter is given to customer as gift. We can raise the frequency to rise the voltage up. Because our transformer is domestic, the voltage is to 120 volts. Single phase is to 120. Now it's raised to 420. We set it at 150 Hz. It's now 440 volts. This is an induction voltage test. Frequency 150 Hz. The output voltage is 440 volts. Because we are a single phase to 120. Double that is to 120 times 2 is 440. Okay, we drop the voltage down. The control box shows 340, and then it goes to 440 here. You can adjust the frequency to adjust the voltage. Okay, the voltage is come down now. It's done. Okay, the connections have the triangle and the star connection. It's not the same. For triangle, it depends on where the end of A is. If it is C, ground C. If it is B, then B is grounded. The star is in ground. Just connect A and N.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.